Hey guys, today we're going to be checking this out, the Sabrent VOLTIK 252 watt 8-port USB charger with color LCD status display. We're going to unbox it, we're going to plug it in, and we're going to plug some stuff into it. And stay tuned because this desktop charger doesn't have something that the other ones that I have tried out do, and I prefer it that way. So we'll just do a quick unbox, and as you can see, it's a good chunky size. And unlike the other units I have, the ports are easier to get to on this one. And I like that when you're fumbling around at night trying to plug something in. And it comes with a wall mounting plate and screws. And thankfully, a regular power cable, not a wall wart. And it's got the Underwriter's Laboratory safety mark on the bottom, so you can rest assured that you can have this on your night table and it will not burst into flames while you're asleep. And it comes with the user manual. It also comes with nice rubber feet so it doesn't slide around on your desk. And I plugged it in, and we're going to turn on the screen by holding the button for like 3 seconds. And the display has multiple modes. You have all of your ports showing up on the first page, and then you can page through the different ports by hitting the button. But once you plug it into the wall, display on or off, it's ready to charge. And at night you might not want the display on, so you can just turn it off by holding the display button. So I decided to keep it on my nightstand, and I'm just testing it out here. I did reposition it, and I'll show you that in a minute. But yeah, it's using my 3-in-1 charger for my iPhone, my headphones, and my Apple Watch. Got my Bose Quiet Comfort headphones connected and my MacBook Air. You get up to 100 watts charging on a single USB-C port, and when you combine 2 of them, you'll get 125 watts of charging power between the 2 ports. And the same goes for the other 2 USB-C ports. And each USB-A port goes up to 18 watts max. And depending on how you want to position the charger, you can reverse the screen's display with a simple double click. And seeing that it's an always-on device, I wanted to test and see how much power it draws when the display is off and there's nothing connected to it, because there is no on-off switch for the device, and it really draws very little power. It's like from 0 to 1 watt, and that's it. So in the end, I went with this orientation for my nightstand, and the power cable is coming out of the bottom of the unit, so it's flush against the wall. It sits on the nightstand very nicely. It's not going to move around, and I can just tuck the wires back like that. So I think that's the way I'm going to go with it. So the thing I was going to say earlier about the unit is it's plug and play. You plug it in, you charge your devices. There's no app that you have to download, create an account, be able to manipulate what power goes to what port. It just does it automatically, and I really like that about it. I don't want to overcomplicate my life. I want to make it more simple, and this is just a charger, so I don't need an app for that. So Sabrent listens to their customers, and they updated the firmware on these units, because before the screen would sort of go into the sleep mode where it would turn off, it wouldn't show you the display of the ports, and it would just give you the Sabrent logo after a few minutes of the display being on. Now after the firmware update, the display stays on, and if you're in one of the secondary pages, one of the individual port displays, it'll revert back to the main display and stay on. And if you want to turn the display off, like I said previously, you just hold the power button down for a couple of seconds and it'll turn the display off. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next Mac Sound Solutions video.